Hey guys, it's Jen here today, and I hope you can hear me. I don't have my microphone, so hopefully the sound works out, but I was very much inclined to do this video. Inclined's not the right word, but I've been going through a lot personally in my life right now, and there's been a lot of deep heartache, grief, loss, sadness, and this kind of deep purging of not just based on the events that are happening in the present, but also it's been a catalyst for a lot of things in the past. And so I was able to do some light language for myself this morning as I was driving into my office, and I just really heard strongly to share this with you. So this is all about healing the heart, healing the heaviness that we carry in our hearts, whether it's things that have happened to us in this lifetime or other lifetimes, just that deep sorrow, that deep sadness that is caused from, death or loss or any kind of event, the loss of a loved one or feeling very alone. So whatever the cause is, it's just this heaviness of the heart. And so today I want to just bring through a light language, I don't think we're supposed to do any kind of meditation for this today. I think it's just because the light language goes directly into your body, into your cells, and it just transcends the mind. So I would ask that just, don't think about this. Don't, let go of attachment as to whether it's working. Just receive this beautiful healing energy that wants to come through today for you. So if your heart feels heavy or you have any kind of healing that needs to happen in the heart right now, I just invite you to listen. And you may want to listen several times because it just feels like we're going through some really deep layers that I don't even have conscious understanding of what's been purging within me. So I just wanted to share the light language with you in hopes that it helps whatever you might be going through. And I know for me, some of this deep sadness that's been coming through is just, I didn't even have any awareness of it. So I just allow myself to feel it. I allow myself to cry or shout or whatever needs to come through. And so I'm just offering this up as the most gentle way for your heart to open and healing to begin at the deepest level of wounding that we may have experienced. So just relax, take some deep breaths, and allow yourself to receive. Whatever comes through for you will be perfect. And I just feel a mother energy here. So just allow yourself to be held. Allow yourself to be comforted and nurtured right now. Namo uni satai ne soto o sotoria na sana o kumurishite satakuro shoti na se. Imene eshoto o ko oroshoto. Just a lot of emotion. Ikwana sato oroshota yene me ikwana inara kwana soto oko oria shikine me ina. Yana ishoto orosota yene me iwore shata yene soto uyana se me iki. Mo oko oroshoto uyana shakwana sato okoyere seteriana mare shikina anasa. Mekwane ishoto oria shakate arasoto yana samo ori sikitisi. Shanara satoro yara shakete ere shatori satayana me ekwani shikiti satayana. Often we bury our pain like under boulders, under rocks, and so we're just kind of cracking that open right now, allowing the light into the places that have been held so deep and in the dark. Mosoku osoto satayana sakati ishoto yene sokori shikiti anasata. Me eneweyana shani ukoyara shatayara sodniara ma anna sotoriara sakoyara shiki. Ikana satayana me eweyara shotoku oriana mawara ira morwara nara shatayana shoku. Just bringing in the light, this warm, loving, gentle, nurturing light, bringing comfort to all the places within you that have been wounded, especially in the heart. Shanese ko oso seme ere satayene shukuyera sami inewani shikine soto yene saka. Yama ine shatayene sokoturiana mana ashano or koshuria satayene ma. And all the pain that we carry from others, from our family, pain that we carry of the world, bringing healing and nurturing for that. Isati isoto yana samo uria shakane shikete sata yana shuku yara sata. Shanara sata yana shukuria shata yana ma'ayaku yara shiketia. And I just hear, let this in. Let down your defenses. Let this energy in for you. Allow yourself to surrender to the healing that's available for you. Imatnana satayana saku ori shatayana shutira sata nuuru ma'ana. Kwane ikwana sataku uru shatayana me esetayana shakuyareshi. And just hear you are so loved. Shoku ori shatayana soto niyama akwana shikidiya na soto yaro shoku uru shutiyara mana soto ku uru shikinama. I feel this energy coming in through the front of your heart and the back of your heart, as well as coming in from above. So just opening up to receiving from all angles, all places. Shana sata yena shato yena samu kuayere shiti sotor kuri shata na ayene kuyena sata yena shiki. Mo urku shotoriana sato urkusha mawana shate shata yena sota yena kuyena makwana shikisa. Ma'anya shikete era sato kanya shete o sotoriyama ukuyene shikisi te iro shotoriyama na kwana shakanasa. Shana era shete era shoto oyena mokuayene shikisi te ro sotoriyana satayami. Mewe no shokotoro sotayama ukwane setayana shoko ore shikiti isi kitriyama. Mene shotayana shoko era satayana shokuyera sheme. And I feel like the energy is moving into the solar plexus, where the places we felt powerless and out of control, like where we just didn't have a choice or couldn't do anything, that helplessness for whatever grief, loss, and traumatic experiences that you might have endured, known and unknown. So ko satayene so kusheme we in a shokoro sotoyena mukuyene sheke we ere shotoriya sakateyena shaka. Reconnecting you with all that you are, the power that you are, the infinite that you are. Masaso nia sako satariyena shekuyena mawane shekoyera shekateriyena sakayena shoko soko toso. Shanara sotoriyena soko oro sotayena me oyera ere sotayena shekina a. Ina shakayene eseta oro shotayera satayena shokuri shekeme wena shaka. Shanara shotoriana sakane ara sotoriami equine shekuro shotariana sata. I'm just kind of feeling like this now, kind of spreading through the whole body, bringing balance into the heart, into the solar plexus, and all of the body, just allowing every one of your cells to receive this now, bringing in more light, more love. Ikine sana sonoriana masayene sukuyene sana socho shoro shotara sateya sateya shukuyena mi ana. Mo okoro shotara sotoyene modo sotora nashikina shukuri shikesi. Mene sotayene shukuria shuku o shama ana shene 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 shene. Isetera shotoyena ma koyena shi anamasa konamoro sananiya makoyena sha. So just take some deep breaths, just allowing this all to settle in, being really gentle with yourself, drinking some water. You may want to listen to this a few times, maybe not too many times in one day, just to kind of let it get into those deeper layers. This is all about allowance. This is all about your opening to receive the love that's always flowing in for you, and letting go of the places that have, had to protect and have come from fear. So we've kind of locked down these energies and emotions. So that's just what we're opening up to today. So I hope that helps, and I hope you are filled with love and allowance, and I'm sending you all sorts of wonderful healing energy, just even beyond the light language through this video. So hugs and lots of love, and we'll see you next time. I'm Jen Cunnings. Thanks. Bye.